The Mark IV Hexapod is created using Dynamixel's X series servos. They have smoother motion, better resolution, and more control modes than other types of Dynamixel servos. For its brain, the Hexapod has a Raspberry Pi 3B Plus computer running Ubuntu Linux and ROS Melodic. All of the control code is made using ROS, so this is a ROS-compatible Hexapod. You can control it either using a Sony PS4 controller or using a custom Python API I developed.
When it comes to shelling the Hexapod Mark IV, the three main aspects we're considering are aesthetics based off the F-117 Nighthawk, the fact that we need to clip the parts on and off of the base really easily, as well as the 3D printability of each part. So that means having a flat face on each part and having a way to connect them all seamlessly.